Crash it. If you crash it, I'll get it on film.
I don't even know how to make this thing go up.
Well, just make it go up. Crash it. Hit one of the cars. You have to go faster. Yeah, throw it up in the air, then let it go. There you go. Now, faster, faster. Faster.
Full speed.
That's not full speed.
Right here.
You have to go forward. You have to go forward and forward.
It's going forward.
Not really. I think you wrecked it.
You gave it to me in this position.
It's wrecked. It looks like a wrecked mosquito. Just throw it up in there and play it.
No, because if it goes like this, then it's really going to be dead.
Well, then I'll get on film. Go ahead.
Let's wait till this car to pass.
He's not coming this way.
Yes, he is.
No, he's not. He's way away from you. It looks like a dead mosquito flying. Yeah. Looks like a dead mosquito. Come on. Hurry up.
Here, instead of me doing it, you should.
No. I gotta get on film. Hurry it up. There you go. Now you got it. Hit a tree or something.
So you got to be.
There you go. I got you crashing it.
You got to be within range or something.
No, you don't.
You do.
No, it knows how to fly. It was born how to fly. It was born knowing how to fly. Right, kitty? Kitty cat. Kitty cat.
Be cute, okay? You gotta be cute.
It didn't crash. You got to fly it into the tree. That's what trees are all about. Come on, just crash it. That's not crashing it. Get it up in the tree. Are you surely that's fully charged?
I think it's spinning as fast as it can.
I think there's something wrong with the rear prop. The rear prop is messed up.
Right here.
Yeah, because it's not going forward.
Well, I tried to, but it don't work.
I don't think Kitty can figure it out. There, now you got it going forward. But get it farther than 2 inches off the ground, okay?
Car's coming.
No, he's not.
Oh, okay. Idiot.
Cars never come.
Kitty's watching. Look at the
Kitty's watching. Kitty already went to the airplane box. He likes the airplane box.
He squeezed up in it. He's so cute.
There goes a crazy person. Bye, crazy person. Oh, that was good. I got that on film. I got that on film. You hitting the curb.
It's more of a hoverboard than it is an airplane.
Yeah.
I hope you didn't want this.
What? Hey, it looks like a leaf blower. It's blowing the leaves. Now it looks like a limp. I've never seen a helicopter that can't fly.
Mosquito.
Look, I have no idea even how to run these things, yet alone make it fly.
Yeah, but you play video games, so you can figure it out. Kitty could figure it out.
Yes,
All right, Kitty?
that's right. Look at how cute he is.
There you go. I got that on film.
Got that
Kids always like this one.
Key cat. Come on, crash it. Do something. Now it's not doing anything.
Because I think it needs more battery in general.
Well, put a turbo prop on it.
Look, I'm not even watching.
Well, if you don't watch, it's going to hit you in the head.
This thing is really only good for maybe 20 to 30 minutes on a full charge.
Yeah, but you only flew it for like 3 minutes.
Look at that. It's flying.
It's amazing. I can't believe it.
Look at how amazing that is.
Well, the second one isn't flying. The second one is not flying.
Ooh, that was
Hey, that was a crash landing.
you can tell it's running out of juice.
Yeah, but it never flew when it had juice. That guy's speeding.
He's speeding. And look at Kitty. He's
Speedy
watching.
Gonzalez.
Speedy Gonzalez. Look at the kitty.
You know what? It could mow the lawn for us. There'd be use for it there.
See, look at that.
Is the lawn getting shorter? Is the lawn getting shorter?
That was making me dizzy.
What's Kitty think of this? I don't know.
Hey, if you get 1 million hits on this, I want 10%.
Only 10%?
20%.
Only 20?
20%. Final.